Hi guys, TinaGale here and welcome back to another Kill a Kit series. So this is what I have left. I have already cut the pieces. Actually, they're just the way that they came. You'll see that in a second. So this is what I have left. This is going to be the last layout that I share. I do have plans for the rest of this product, but I will probably bring some other product in. So this is the last layout here. I have one photo of my daughter. You're going to see the cut apart cards. Here's the scrap of the one. I'm going to use all of those for layering pieces. That floral strip and the wood pattern in the back are just cut-offs from the paper that I had. So a lot of times when I get down to the bits and pieces of the end of a collection, I will do this. I will leave the pieces of paper the size that they are and just create layers. Or if they have little jagged edges, cut-offs, things like that, I'll just square them up to rectangles, squares, whatever they need to be, and put them on a page. It reminds me of the Freaky Fast Friday challenge. It's just fun to see what you come up with. So I just took all those little offcuts and made up a stacked layer behind the photo. I'm going to use this wider strip of floral to create a band going vertically on my layout. You can see that it's longer than my 8.5 by 11. Again, I'm doing a smaller format page. The wood grain is a little bit shorter than that 11 inches, so that's perfect. I'm just going to trim that floral paper off to match the end of that paper, or the background. I had this short little piece. It's actually the branding strip, I believe, from that text paper, and I'm going to use it off to the side. And I just absolutely love the way that looks. You're going to see at the bottom here these glasses. This was something in my sticker binders that I had cut from my Cricut quite a while back, and it's just been in there because I think it's so cute, but I've never had a layout or anything to use it on, and this layout is all about my daughter and this pair of glasses, so it was perfect, and the green matched in. So I saw that when I went through the sticker binder trying to look, and pulled it out because I knew I was going to do this photo. So the other embellishments here were from the sticker sheet. I had this stack of books, and I thought it was perfect to go along with the story. I have some, I went ahead and pulled out the alphabet stickers off of that keep popping off. That's so frustrating, but so my title is going to be Just Like Meemaw. So the story is these glasses look just like a pair of glasses that my mother used to wear. And my daughter, she wears contacts, but she has a really, really strong prescription, and they continue to change because she's in school. She works at a job that's on the computer all the time, and so her doctor has suggested that she wear a really low power reader while she's working on the computer. So she's picked up just a few different glasses. So that's what this story is about. So that's where my title comes from. Now, I had this little sticker here that says, it's a tab that says something about the details. I thought that was cute, and it does work, but the florals don't really match up, so I'm going to change that out. I have another sticker, the blue one that you see on that sheet, that says the details, and that one looks a lot better. It's a little bit different blue, but it matches some of the greenery that's in that photo. So I'm going to switch that out here in a moment. So here I'm just trying to figure out where to stick that title. You've seen me pull that up several different times. When I had that book, I was trying to tell, how would it fit along with that book? I was thinking, can it sit on top of the very top, and then the next word, tuck in here, kind of where I'm doing that tab. I just wasn't sure. So again, like I said previously on another video, when I'm kind of stuck, I just set it aside so that I can just kind of process and move things around. Now I had this little script that says do your thing, and I really wanted it in there. I love that font, but I had other fonts going, and there was just too much going on, so it doesn't make the cut. I'll put it on another layout of hers, but she's definitely one that does her own thing. This is where I was kind of seeing, could I stack the title on up from that word label? I don't really care for it. So again, I go back to, I want to nestle it in with that stack of books. Now, I go back and forth thinking also, do I want to put just like all the way across it, or do I want to stack it? And I end up stacking it. I think it looks better. It kind of creates another little shelf there, which I'm going to add one of those wood buttons in the little spot that it opens up. So again, it just kind of all works together when I get to the end. So here I have that title completely on there. I'm going to pop dot those books up. I'm going to make sure that that M is nestled in with that flower on the top of the book. I also have this little sticker. It's black, says today. You can see up at the top I've added one of the wood buttons, and this one has a pink background with a red, blue, and yellow flower. So it matches those flowers in that floral background paper. So it worked out perfect to kind of tuck it in. This little wood button, you can't really tell, I don't think, but it has a little girl's face with little pink cheeks and little lips. And when I saw that, it's like, oh, that's cute. But it was like, I'm probably going to pop that little thing off the wood button because I just couldn't think of a way to use it. But it's perfect for this little layout. She's just sweet and adorable. Had one flower left over. I believe that's the last flower off the sticker sheets, that little yellow one. And I needed something in that corner to kind of finish the little triangle off and just kind of bring it all together. So this is another quick, very simple, clean layout, but I love it, and it's another story documented. So I have had so much fun with this series. I hope you've enjoyed all of the layouts that I've created. If you've missed any, back it up, look at it. There's a playlist you can check out. When I create the other one, I'll refer back to it, but I think it'll probably be a while. But there's definitely more stickers that I want to use. That I have an idea for. So thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to be back with more process videos. Bye-bye.